Once upon a time, in a busy city, there lived a girl named Lily. She was the only daughter of a wealthy businessman, living a life filled with luxury and privilege. From private schools to grand events, everything she wanted was handed to her. Yet despite all the wealth around her, Lily often felt empty and alone. Her life was planned for her: get the best education, marry someone from a wealthy family, and keep up appearances. But deep down, she dreamed of something different, something real. One afternoon, while out shopping with friends, Lily wandered into a quieter part of town, away from the crowds of expensive shops. She noticed a small, cozy bookstore tucked between old buildings. It wasn't anything like the high-end stores she was used to, but there was something charming about it. Drawn by curiosity, Lily entered the shop. Inside, she met Alex. He was a young man in his 20s, wearing simple clothes and working part-time at the bookstore to help support his family. He didn't look like the wealthy men she was accustomed to, but his calm nature and thoughtful way of speaking made him stand out. Lily picked up a book, and Alex recommended a classic novel. They started talking, and Lily was surprised at how much she enjoyed their conversation. Alex wasn't just interested in books. He spoke about life in a way that Lily had never heard before. He told her that true happiness didn't come from money or status, but from the simple joys in life. Over the next few weeks, Lily kept visiting the bookstore. Every time she saw Alex, they spoke for hours, discussing everything from their favorite books to their dreams for the future. Lily found herself drawn to Alex's perspective on life. Despite his modest circumstances, he had a wisdom and kindness that impressed her. He had big dreams of becoming a writer, but he didn't seem to care about the things that Lily's family valued. He cared about who she was, not her wealth. As Lily's connection with Alex grew stronger, so did the challenges. Her parents, who had already arranged for her to marry a wealthy man named Richard, were upset when they found out about her visits to the bookstore. They told her that she couldn't waste her time on a poor boy. Lily's family insisted that she stop seeing Alex, urging her to focus on her future with Richard. But Lily's heart told her something different. She realized that Alex wasn't like anyone else she had ever met. He didn't care about her family's money or status. He cared about her thoughts, her feelings, and the person she truly was. Lily tried to balance her love for Alex with the expectations of her family, but it wasn't easy. One day, Alex invited her to a peaceful spot by the river. The place was quiet and beautiful, simple yet full of meaning. They sat by the water, watching the sunset. "I never thought I could find happiness in a place like this," Lily said, looking at the calm river. Alex smiled softly. "Sometimes, the best things in life are the simplest ones." Lily sighed. "But don't you wish you could have more? More than just this?" Alex looked at her with a gentle expression. "I already have everything I need. Love, friendship, and the chance to follow my dreams. What else could I ask for?" In that moment, Lily realized that Alex wasn't interested in wealth or status. He just wanted to live a life filled with love, meaning, and happiness. And that was something she had been searching for her whole life. She knew that she didn't need money or a fancy lifestyle to be happy. She needed love and authenticity, and an undeniable sense of belonging to her fellow human beings. But the pressure from her family continued to grow. They told her that if she didn't marry Richard, they would disown her. Her friends didn't understand why she was choosing a poor boy over a life of wealth and comfort. But Lily's heart knew what it wanted. She couldn't let go of Alex. She couldn't let go of the love and happiness she had found with him. One day, Lily made a bold decision. She stood up to her parents and told them that she couldn't marry Richard. "I love Alex and I want to be with him," she said firmly. Her parents were furious, but Lily didn't back down. She packed her things and left the life of luxury behind. Alex was surprised when Lily chose him over everything she had known, but he promised to always support her in her dreams. Together, Lily and Alex began to build a new life. It wasn't easy. They faced many struggles along the way, but their love grew stronger each day. Lily, no longer bound by the expectations of her family, followed her passion for writing and helping Alex with his dream of becoming an author. Together, they published their first book, a story about love, dreams, and the power of choosing your heart over your circumstances. Over time, their book became successful, and although they didn't have the wealth Lily once enjoyed, they had something much more valuable: love, joy, and the freedom to live life on their own terms. In the end, Lily and Alex showed that love isn't about money or social status. It's about finding someone who sees and appreciates you for who you are, and in the end they proved that true happiness comes from following your heart, no matter what the world expects of you.